Hi, dear job seekers. This is our website likeways.co.in. Spy Health is announcing walk-ins for the certified and non-certified HCC medical coders for freshers to experienced candidates. Qualification for this position is any life science graduates. The working location is Hyderabad. Walk-in interview is on 14 September at 9 a.m. onwards. Venue for this walk-in, Sri Sai Medicode Medical Coding, Sanjeev Reddy Nagar, Hyderabad. You can contact directly through given phone number or through given mail ID. Please use these opportunities, and if you want more information regarding job openings, visit our website. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.